In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Twilio API key. Whether you're looking to integrate Twilio's communication services into your application or just tinkering around with their features, obtaining an API key is your first step. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to twilio.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Twilio account if you haven't already. It's essential to have an account set up. So if you're new to Twilio, make sure you go through the sign up process and verify your email address. After you've logged in, head over to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the admin drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to managing all of your account settings and configurations. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From that list, you'll want to select Account Management. This section encompasses various tools and settings for managing your Twilio account, including billing information, user management, and most importantly for us, API settings. Once you're in the account management section, look for an option labeled API keys and tokens. This is where Twilio organizes all the access credentials that allow your applications to communicate securely with their services. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a page detailing any existing API keys and tokens you might have. If you're doing this for the first time, this list might be empty, and that's perfectly okay. Now, to create a new API key, find and click on the Create API Key button. This button is usually located prominently on the page, making it easy to find. Clicking it will prompt you to enter some basic information to generate your new key. Typically, you'll need to provide a friendly name for the key. This is essentially a nickname for your key, helping you identify it later, especially if you have multiple keys for different projects or purposes. After entering the friendly name, proceed by clicking Create. Twilio will then generate your new API key and a secret. The API key is a public identifier for your application, but the secret is like a password, so it's important to keep it secure. Make sure to copy the key and secret right away and store them in a safe place, as you won't be able to view the secret again for security reasons. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Twilio API key. You can now use this key to authenticate your applications and start integrating Twilio's powerful communication tools. Remember, keeping your API keys and secrets secure is crucial to protecting your applications and data. Avoid sharing them publicly and use environment variables or secure storage solutions when implementing them in your projects. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your Twilio API access. If you have any questions or run into issues, Twilio support and documentation are excellent resources to assist you further. Thank you for watching and happy coding.